The workshop. They have a hospital here?
Yeah. Because he has a permit, and that's when you get when you're 16 now, I guess, because they're changing the
Look at his Bambi again.
Oh my god, you want to take a picture with Bambi?
Oh my god, he wants to take a picture of me.
Hey, you two.
Trying
You're gonna pet it, and you're just gonna be like petting its ass or something.
What's she?
Or is it to be like? Yeah, let's do it. Okay. He didn't even do it. He moved it. And
He's actually doing it.
Oh, that's funny.
Oh,
Oh my dad, I'm just petting it. I'm like, what the fuck are you doing? And then you're all like enjoying it. You're all like happy.
Dude.
I don't know. I hate clothes. I mean, they're easy to understand.